Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Next, use the spudger to pry off the display assembly. Now, you'll see the battery connector. Use the spudger to gently separate it from the battery. Once you've done that, you can carefully remove the battery. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Make sure it's facing the right way and secure it in place. Reconnect the battery connector, and voila! You've successfully replaced your iPhone 8 battery at home.